morning friends, I am back again with one more video lecture on the topic higher order linear differential equation with constant coefficient. In today's lecture, we will solve one example based on the higher order linear differential equation. Now example is solve d3y over dx3 minus d2y over dx square plus dy over dx minus y is equal to right hand side is e to the power x times cos x. Now we will solve this problem in two steps. First, to find the complementary function of the given problem, and second step to find the particular integral of the given problem. Now first we write this given differential equation in symbolic form. Now symbolic form is d3y over dx3, the answer is d cube, minus d2y over dx square, the answer is d square, plus dy by dx d minus 1, and this times y is equal to this e to the power x cos x. Now here this d is equal to d by dx, means the differential operator. Now we write the auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation is equating this f of d, means this polynomial, to 0. So therefore auxiliary equation is d cube minus d square plus d minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we solve this auxiliary equation. So here d square be the common term. The d square times d minus 1 plus d minus 1 is equal to 0. Now d minus 1 be the again be the common term. The d minus 1 times this d square, and here be the plus 1 equal to 0. Now this is equal to d minus 1 is equal to 0 and d square plus 1 is equal to 0. So therefore d is equal to 1 and d square equal to minus 1, that is d equal to plus minus I. Therefore complementary function is CF is equal to, now this first would be the real, therefore we write here C1 e to the power x plus, now CF for the imaginary roots, the answer is e to the power alpha x times C2 cos beta x plus C3 sin beta x. But here alpha equal to 0, so therefore e to the power 0x, answer is 1. So therefore C2 cos beta x, the beta is 1, so therefore C2 cos x plus C3 sin beta x, again beta is 1, so C3 sin x. So this is the complementary function of the given problem, and this complementary function, this is the general solution of the homogeneous differential equation. Now to find the particular integral, and particular integral means particular solution of the given non-homogeneous differential equation. So here pi is equal to 1 upon f of d times x. Now f of d be the, in this problem f of d be the d cube minus d square plus d minus 1, and this is the capital X, means this is the right hand side of e to the power x times cos x. Now this is the product of the two function e to the power ax times v, and here v be the cos x. Now replace here b by d plus 1, so that we write this e to the power x be the here, so replace here d by d plus 1. Therefore, pi is equal to e to the power x times, now replace d by d plus 1, the d plus 1 to the power 3 minus d plus 1 whole square plus d plus 1 minus 1. Now here be the cos x only. Now simplification of this part. This is equal to this e to the power x as it is 1 upon, now d plus 1 to the power 3, answer is d cube plus 3d square plus 3d plus 1. Now d plus 1 whole square, d plus 1 whole square, d square plus 2 times d plus 1. Now minus times d plus 1 whole square, answer is minus d square minus 2 times d minus 1. Now plus d and 1 minus 1, 0. So plus d and times this cos x. Now this is equal to e to the power x 1 upon, now this d cube as it is, 3d square minus d square plus 2 times d square. Now 3 times d minus 2 times d plus d means plus 2 times d. Now this 1 minus 1 0 times cos x. So therefore pi is equal to this e to the power x as it is. Now we write this d cube as d square times d plus 2 times d square plus 2 times d times cos x. In this problem, the coefficient of x in cosine function be the 1. So therefore, now by putting d square is equal to minus 1 square. This is equal to minus 1. Therefore, answer is e to the power x 1 upon. Now d square be the minus 1. So minus d plus 2 times minus 1 plus 2 times d times cos x. Now 2 times d minus d answer is d and 2 times minus 1 answer is minus 2 times cos x. Now this is equal to e to the power x. We write this part like this now, d plus 2 upon means multiplying and dividing by d plus 2 here. D plus 2 times d minus 2 and this cos x. Now a plus b times a minus b answer is a square minus b square. The d plus 2 times d minus 2 answer is d square minus 4. Therefore here is equal to e to the power x as it is d plus 2. Now d plus 2 times d minus 2 answer is d square minus 4 cos x. Now again putting d square is equal to minus 1. So this is equal to e to the power x d plus 2 upon this minus 1 minus 4 times cos x. Now this is equal to minus 1 minus 4 means minus 5 e to the power x d plus 2 times cos x. Now operating this d plus 2 on cos x, minus 1 by 5 e to the power x times d cos x plus 2 cos x. Now d cos x means derivative of cos x and derivative of cos x answer is minus sin x plus 2 times cos x. So this is the required pi means required particular integral of the given problem. Therefore, complete solution of given differential equation is y is equal to cf plus pi. Now here cf be the c1 e to the power x plus c2 cos x plus c3 sin x and pi be the minus 1 by 5 e to the power x times this minus sin x plus 2 cos x. We write this 2 cos x minus sin x. So this is the general solution or complete solution of the given differential equation. Hope all of you have understood this problem. Please subscribe the channel and let me know your comments and feedback. Thank you.